Hi, I'm Jim, and I'll be taking you through the March 2023 release notes. We've enhanced the application by adding a multi-select mode by Workcenter, and you can see the checkbox for the ability to turn that on or off. And with that turned on, you can see that there is the ability in the new WIP grid to have the ability to do multi-select with the checkboxes on the left-hand side. With the new multi-select mode, we now allow you to do a start run, a stop, and a stop without quantity on multiple selected jobs for an individual. We also added the same feature to allow a start crew and a stop crew for multiple selected jobs for a crew. These two capabilities for individuals and crews, this function is not supported for nests or Kanban orders, and currently the job off only and job off optional, job off required work centers are also not supported. Enhanced the application to allow you to now have the ability to do a stop without quantity for crews when you have single or multiple jobs selected. And you can see that with the WIP action button available, and then you also have the ability to have that WIP action button visible through the Workcenter admin area of the software. Enhance the quick filter function of the software when you're in multi-select mode with the option that allows you to use that filter as either a filter or as a single select within that Workcenter. And what the single select does is it'll either select or deselect an order-operation or turnaround number that is typed or scanned into that field. We've improved the Manage Operator Feedback module in the portal to allow an administrator to change the status and also to assign a operator entry to a person through the Assign To field, as you can see here. Also within the Manage Operator Feedback module, we are now allowing the administrator to add additional comments to an existing record that is on that page. We've also made an update to improve performance by having a setting that will allow you to control whether or not a network search is used to match an operator panel to an IP address. And that's what we have for that release. If you have any questions, please contact us with the information below.